You will be sent home with a Polar Care Cube cooler to assist with your swelling management. This is the wrap that comes with the cooler to place over the knee. It is important that there's a barrier between the skin and the wrap. You can use your TED stocking as this barrier or a pair of thin pants. Place the wrap over the knee and wrap the Velcro straps around the upper and lower legs. Now you will fill the Polar Care Cube cooler. Fill with water to the first line. Fill with ice to the second line. Alternatively, you may use plastic water bottles instead of the ice. Place the lid on the Polar Care Cube and lift the lid to lock it. Connect the hose from the cooler to the hose on the wrap. You will hear a click when the hoses are properly connected. Connect the wire to the Polar Care Cube cooler port. Once the power is connected, the cooler will start automatically.